Do you want to learn how to bake the perfect cupcake? Well, my name is Ariana Collier, and I want to welcome you to the Sweet Life. The tools we're going to be using today are our cupcake pan, a rubber spatula, ice cream scoop, cupcake liners, and I've pre-mixed our cake batter. We have our cupcake liners in the pan, and now it's time to pour the batter. We're going to get started with an ice cream scoop. That way we evenly measure the batter for each cupcake liner. So when I'm measuring the cake batter, I like to use my rubber spatula to wipe the excess batter off the side of the ice cream scoop. The great thing is that when you use an ice cream scoop, it's a lot less messy. Now we have our cupcake pan filled, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. We've lowered the temperature of the oven. That way, the cupcakes will bake evenly. To show you guys the difference, we baked the cupcake at a higher temperature and without measuring properly. If you look closely, you can see that the cupcake we baked at a higher temperature now has a dome, whereas the one we baked at a lower temperature is a lot flatter. Now, with it being flatter, it makes it easier for you to pipe on the cupcake and decorate it. When I used to end up with these cupcakes, I would have to cut the top off. Now I don't have to worry about that. That's our tip for the day. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when our next video comes out. And be sure to share. Comment below if you have any suggestions on the next video. Bye.